this is gonna be like a little spin a day with me. My makeup is cute. But if you've never been here before, my name is Keshante Chantel. Welcome to my channel. So I am in the process of trying to hurry up and leave the house, because if you've been here before, then you already know that I'm late to everything. That's just, I don't know. It's just my thing, I guess. So I'm trying to hurry up and get out of the house because I'm running behind. I just have on this really cute ponyo sweater. I love anime, K-pop, things like that. So I got this sweater from Box Lunch. I just have on a black pair of tights, and I'm gonna wear my Uggs with these. One of my friends, if you saw my last little weekly vlog, then you would have seen my friends Victoria and Savannah. So I'm out of breath. Victoria is moving back to Texas, and so this is like our last time to really hang out with each other. And so we're just gonna go check out some Korean spots that we always been wanting to go to. So breath. I have different friend groups for different things. So like Savannah and Victoria, they basically like K-pop and anime. And so when I want to do really fun things like that, they are, sorry, my bathroom's a mess. They are my go-to girlies. So right now I am trying to hurry up. So I'm just going to take you guys along for the ride with me. And yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit because I need to get out of the house. So real quick before I get out of the house, I want to tell you guys how manifestation is real. It is real. It is real. It's real. So there's this contest at my job. Basically, you know, whoever sells, does like a pre-sale for a specific brand, you're eligible to like draw from a prize, but the prize is like money off of a certain item or blah, blah, blah. But the prizes kind of go up to $50. And however many pre-sales that you do is however many times that you could draw from this basket. So I haven't done any pre-sales, but my friend Victoria, who's leaving, she wanted to do a pre-sale. So I pre-saled an item with her. And so I got to draw from the basket of stuff, right? So I go upstairs, and as I'm walking upstairs, I'm like, you know what? There's a Stanley Cup that I wanted, and I really want to get this $50. You know what? We're getting this $50. So the whole time I'm walking up there, I'm like, I'm going to get this $50. It's mine. I'm going to get my Stanley Cup, blah, blah, blah. So I go, I let my managers know, hey, I got a pre-sale, woo woo. And they're like, okay, congratulations. Let's go ahead and let's draw from the prize. So they shook it up because like there's all different numbers, 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever. So I reach my hand down in there and I'm like, I'm going to get this $50. So when I pull the ball out, the ball has a 5 on it. So I was just like, ooh. I thought I was going to get this $50. And I was like, oh, well, I got $5. And I was grateful. I was just like, you know what? I got $5. I was grateful of that. And she was like, no, the number 5 has like a different prize. And she was like, oh my gosh, you got $50. And I'm like, yeah, because I knew I was going to get it. I just knew it. I manifested it. I wanted it. And I got my Stanley Cup. I got my Stanley Cup. I was so excited about this. Now, those of you who know, I already have a Stanley Cup, but this green is just so stinking pretty. And it's like, it reminds me of like Lucky Charms, St. Patrick's Day. So I think it's really cute. I just wanted to tell you that manifestation is real. If there's something that you want and you know that you want it, claim it. It is yours. Yeah. Okay, now I need to get out of the house. Record traditional food. Oh, they have a Korean hair place. Oh, that is kind of cool.
I just realized I've been here before.
Nice. We just pulled. Oh yeah, we just pulled up at Hyundai. I need that. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. What did you get? Chocolate milk? Nice.
My life up from the pits. When my life was ebbing away, I remembered you, Yahweh. And my prayer rose to you.
They in here having church. Look at all those high shoes. I used to eat these right here when I was little. There was a Korean man named Chin, and they owned like a hair store. And he would always come and watch us. Maybe that's why I like Korean culture too. Ooh, they got chocolate pie. That's good. Ooh. I done came in here and I don't know what to get. It's like, this is so nice. You know, I need chili oil too, but the thing about right now, I need the oil because when I get the crisp, it's so much crisp but not enough oil, and I always run out.
I just put sesame seed oil over top of it and shake it up.
Oh.
I use a lot of sesame oil.
So we are in here, and it is a different experience because this is not like the one that's by my house. They have like way more stuff, like Ronald stuff, not necessarily Roman, but like, oh gosh, I thought those were like the packaged drinks.
That'd be great.
But no, shut up! Oh my god, yo. Oh my gosh, it's a gym, it's a, yeah. What's his name? I'm so excited, I can't remember. RM. It's an RM cold brew. It's nice for skin. Right?
Because I don't want it to get hot in the car. That's my only thing. I don't like it.
Right?
You better like it.
I know.
You better like it. Huh? You better like it. I think you will.
It smells good in here. Thank you.
Thank you. After being in that cold store.
So, Savannah, what are you getting?
I think I'm gonna do the bulgogi lunchbox because you get a little bit of everything. You got kimchi, then you get gimbap and mandu, and I love mandu. So.
Victoria?
I don't know. There's so many options. But I hope they hurry because it ends at 2:30.
Oh shit.
The lunch.
So,
So I want to get dumplings either way.
There's a lot of stuff on the menu that well, one, this is our first time coming here, so I'm really excited about that. And then, I don't know, what is 11? Teriyaki chicken. It is good. Anybody want to try the ramen?
Try a little bit. Oh shit.
You got a spoon?
The first beef box.
Oh,
Beef. Yours.
thank you.
And yours.
Yes, thank you.
And thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. I'll try the poke.
Yes, try it. That's good.
Pork box. Thank you. You enjoy.
And then there was two. Listen, I don't know how, but we ended up on a last minute trip going to Charlotte, this Concord, North Carolina. So we are going to go to Primark, and I'm kind of excited about it because I've heard such good things about this store. I know they have it in the UK, but this is my first time. This is Victoria's first time going to. So we're excited.
건너편에 앉아있어 한 걸음씩 가까이 더 기다리다 보면 알겠지 너 따라가다 보면 나는 네 자취를 남겨줘 세상에는 아마도 정말로 너 뿌리고 나갈 때 널 따라가줘 baby 그대의 어깨에 두 손은 안 놔요 아무것도 가진 것 없이 나 babe 아직도 나 feeling you 온통한 I don't need to wake up 아직 Baby, baby, you, I need you, and I'm feeling, baby, baby, you, only you, yeah. Baby, baby, you, I miss you, I've been feeling, baby, baby, you, I need you, yeah. I see you moving, and you've been calling. Feel your body, bring your hands up on me, take it. 지금이 좋아, 나 don't want the truth. I'm waiting and waiting around, yeah. Baby, when I'm with you, feels like nothing new. But can't seem to be far away. Can't seem to get you out my mind every day. If you play, you'll be like there's no tomorrow. On the edge, getting for the don't want me to be here again. Switch it up, take it, send me on a trip, fill it up. Got a new style, better way, ready, I'm ready. Tryna be steady, walking on a thin line. Pick it back, ripping back, get the bag for you. Take me back to the past, cause I'm feeling numb. Travel to a better time when I was feeling dumb. Happiness, we were so intact. Got the butterflies, got me attacked. Now we the stand still, what's up with that? 어깨에 두 손은 안 놔요 아무것도 가진 것 없이 나 babe 아직도 나 feeling you 온통한 I don't need to wake up 아직 Baby, baby, you
Time to drink it. I want to stack up a little bit. This is just the pre.
Is it? What is it? Okay. It's gonna go fast. Oh wait, well, I mean you have to do both of them. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, dear Tati. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Okay. Literally.